Hi everyone, here's a new feature in WhatsApp. So it's actually channels. So you see below we have a chat and then we have updates. I'll click on the updates. We see the status of all kinds of user profiles, and then I have channels. So currently I signed up to the WhatsApp channel, but if I want to check for others, I can actually click on see all or click the plus. I can click find channels, and now I can see all of the channels that are available. This is the all tab. This is the most active. This is the popular. These are the new channels, and this is the region. So I can choose, instead of Israel, I can choose UK or United States, and actually I will see the things that are relevant. Now if I click on the plus, actually you'll see actually I can subscribe. So let's subscribe to NAS Daily. There's a V. Now I go in and I can see all of the posts that have been done. I can do some reactions. This is actually the reaction, so I can make a V or something like that. I can also here decide if it's muted or not. I can see the settings, and actually if I click here on the three dots, I can unfollow, share, see the channel info or report. So in this case I'll do unfollow again, and now I'm not subscribed. If I go, for instance, to the WhatsApp, which I signed up, here I can see there's a post about this new channel feature. There's 77.3k reactions. That's a lot, and in total there's 1.8 million followers. So I think by default it's actually muted, and actually I don't know how you can create new channels. This is something I need to check. This is actually not, this is a status, this is not something I want, but it's interesting to see how new channels can be created. Maybe you need to create a new group, but that I will check later on. So thank you very much, and hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.